Hi everyone, I'm Doug Black, Editor-in-Chief at Inside HPC. We're at ISC 2022 in Hamburg. And with me now is Vik Malyala. He is at Supermicro. And Vik, your title is?
I'm President and Managing Director for Supermicro EMEA. I'm also a Senior Vice President for Field Applications Engineering, Supermicro.
Okay, so I know Supermicro works with a lot of different of the chip companies, many different architectures. But tell us about AMD and what you're doing with AMD these days.
So Supermicro has been working with AMD for the very long time, and this is the third generation EPIC product family that we are working with closely in collaboration with AMD and bringing these platforms to market. So we have a diverse product portfolio that we are bringing for our customers. Either it's a single socket or a dual socket or accelerated platforms, and in a single node versus multi-node, going all the way to a SuperBlade, which is 20 nodes in a 8U form factor. So it's an entire spectrum of products that we are developing or we have developed and bringing it for customers for adoption, especially for high-performance computing.
Okay, so if you're sitting down with a prospective customer and they're looking for a server solution, what do you tell them that really distinguishes Supermicro from your competitors?
Excellent question. So if you really think about what customers look for in a platform, it primarily depends on what the customer's workloads are, what their pain points are. So it's not a one system or one solution that solves all the problems. So primarily what we end up asking customers is to explain what is the problem that they are trying to solve. So some customers, it's about packing as many systems in a given smaller footprint, like in a single rack, they want to increase the density and pack as many systems, in which case we go and say, like, hey, without a doubt, you end up going and putting a SuperBlade, for example, right? Versus customers who want to have a maximum GPU density, and especially with the latest accelerators coming from AMD themselves as an MI200 or MI250, then we have our universal GPU platform that we can actually position for that. Versus if someone wanting to use a standard PCIe form factor accelerators, then we have a 4U platform with up to 8 GPUs or even 10 GPUs that can be populated in it. That's what we are going to recommend because it gives them an option to use multiple different types of GPUs in it. Whereas if you're looking at a standard 2U 4-node form factor, which is a most popular solution that you can think of for high-performance computing, which is where we have our Big Twin platform that people can use, then and if they want to use a storage platform that they want to use a lot of NVMe drives, we have a Ultra platform and we have a Cloud DC platform, and the list goes on. But fundamentally speaking, it's about a form factor versus the efficiency and performance, a combination of it. And best of it is that we need to ultimately provide the best total cost of ownership for the customers. So no matter however you slice and dice, that's the value that we need to bring to them, whether it's on the CapEx or OpEx. How do we minimize everything so the customers can get the benefits of what AMD has to offer through Supermicro?
Okay, very good. So a lot of options for differing customer challenges.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, so we've been with Vik Malyala of Supermicro. Have a great rest of the conference.
Thank you.